Today I am going to explain NCERT 9th class exercise 6.1 problem number 6, which is on page number 97. In this question it has not given diagram to us. We are going to find out the diagram. First of all we are going to make the diagram. Okay, after that we are going to solve the problem. In the question it is saying that it is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degrees and XY is producing to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects ZYP, find XYP and reflects QYP. See, which one is the middle one we will take like, okay? Middle angle is represented and that means Y, it will be 64, okay? We should take the middle one. What is bisect? Dividing the angle into two equal parts. Okay. Now, and what is reflex? Angle which is more than 180 degrees but less than 360 degree. Angle which is more than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees is called as reflex. Now we will start drawing the diagram. First up, it is saying XY is producing X. We will take it as X. Okay. Now next here we will take Y. XY is producing to P. Here we will take P. Now XY is producing to P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray XYZ, it will be Z. Now YQ, here it is 64 degrees. Next up, YQ bisect ZYP. Bisecting means dividing the angle into two equal parts. Find XYQ. We are going to find out XYQ and reflex QYP. QYP, that means total this side we are finding out. This is total. Up to here we are going to find out. Okay, it is reflex angle. Now if it is bisecting, these two will be equal to each other. Because bisecting means dividing the angle into two equal parts. So total see 64 plus 16 angle XYZ plus angle QYZ plus angle Z middle one QYP equal to 180 degrees, because this total sum of the angles will be sum of this total straight angle, it will be 180 degrees. Total it will be 180 degrees. Now XYZ it is given 64. Again, if it is bisecting, we will take it X plus X. We will take X because these two are equal to each other, is equal to 180. Now 2x is equal to 180 degrees. Now 2x equal to 180 minus 64. 2x is equal to 180 minus 64. How much it will be? 180 minus 64. 10 minus 4. 6. 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6. How much it will be? 1. Here this one. It is 116 degrees. It is getting 116 degrees. Then x is equal to 116 by 2. 2 1 are 2 5 are 2 8 are. X is equal to how much? 58 degrees. X is getting how much? X is getting 58 degrees. X, how much we got? 58 degrees. That means 58. Okay? 58 degrees. Now we are going to find reflex. How to find out the reflection? We will take this angle and total 180. See, down it will be 180 degrees. Total it will be 180 degrees. Okay? Straight angle 180 degrees. Now, how to do this one? See, first we will take x, 1x, that is angle Q, Y, Z Q Y Z plus angle X Y Z plus angle X Y P is equal to Q Y P equal to angle Q Y P reflects. Okay, Q Y Z it is getting 58 degrees plus X Y Z it is given 64 degrees plus X Y P it is 180 degrees equal to angle Q Y P. Now do the total. 58 64 180 58 64 180 12 2 carry 1. Now 15 20 0 carry 2 it is 302. That is angle QYP equal to 302 degrees. Angle QYP is equal to 302 degrees. We are going to find out QYP. See, either you take this first or QYP first, no problem. It will be same only. Okay, it will be same only. Either you take QYP first or no problem. Okay, it will be same. Now we will find out XYQ. Angle XYQ equal to, which two angles are forming in this one? Angle QYZ plus angle XYZ. Then QYZ how much we got? It is 58 degrees plus angle 64 degrees. 58 plus 64 how much it will be? 8 9 10 11 12 2 1 12 164 plus 58 2 1 6 6 12 122 degrees. That is XYQ equal to 122 degrees. This is your complete problem. Hope everyone understood. If you have doubt in this problem, please don't forget to write in the comment box. Like my videos, share my videos. If you are new on my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.